happy 4th of July weekend. We are here at Michael's in Mission Valley and we're just looking. Just gonna look. And then we're in the jungles of Michael's. And we've got baby with us. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so remarkable. Michael's. She's got her slime and her jars. They're 99 cents. And, huh? Rex, whatever that means. And, oh my gosh, look at these. Oh! Do they have larger ones like this? Oh my gosh, I need this. If these came in bigger sizes, I would totally get them. So cool. Oh my gosh, so much glassware. You can make so many things here. Gosh, right? Okay, here is some stuff that are on sale here. Is this clearance? Okay, something. This is $5. This is as is. These are so cool. He's just chilling in his little bag. Okay, they've got frames here. Oh my gosh, Beauty and the Beast, look. Oh. Take a picture of these apothecary jars. Oh my gosh. Okay, so many. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at that. Oh my god. I need so many things here. It's unbelievable. I knew it. My eyeballs would be just like crazy over here. If you go to Michael's, your eyeballs will go crazy. Oh, what is that? Okay, this is more foam. Ew. It's very light, but it's $14 for one. On sale for $10 today. Not bad. I have these, and I did not pay that much for it at Target. Gosh, containers galore. Okay, this is where you can store all your squishies. Seriously. Mochi! Mochi! Oh my god, this is slime galore here, central. Okay, I love jewelry, and this is where you can make your own and store your own. I do have this, but I don't recommend it because these little things break. And, oh my god, that's so cute. So cute. Oh my gosh, they have all kinds of gems and necklaces and all kinds of stuff here. So pretty. Mikey's like, what are you doing? Let me out. We're in the clay area, and she's like, well, she's like, hurry up. Hurry. Okay, I can make my own belt with this. I like that. Keep calm, ask mom. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Once upon a time. So many things on clearance. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, this one is too weird. I'm gonna make all kinds of belts. I'm going to inspect this because this is only $5. My gosh, this is gorgeous. This is a dangerous store. You can like buy so many things here. You could literally spend, oh my gosh, this is so 30% off. Look at this. This is gorgeous. 30% off, and I don't know how much this costs. $9.99, and that's gorgeous. Okay, I got my at Del Mar Fair. Oh my god, they have so many good ones. Wow. Uh-oh, no. Doggy! Go, go, go! Oh. Get him, Mochi! Get the doggy! Oh, get the doggy! Oh!